Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I mentioned in my previous video that I was going to be doing the centerpiece slash setting of the dining table. I have done centerpieces in the past, but I've never done a setting of a table. So I thought it would be different, and obviously it's part of the holiday extravaganza of my videos. And so before I do my Christmas tree, I wanted to do the table setting. I think slowly when you will see the Christmas tree done, I think you'll understand a little bit of the style that I'm going in. So I'm gonna keep, I think, the Christmas tree. I have two Christmas trees. So I have one that's going to be upstairs and I have one that's going to be downstairs. So I am so excited to share those as well. But first we are going to do the dining room, the centerpiece, and obviously the table setting for the holidays. Because the holidays are always at my house. So I decided to do a more fancy schmancy table setting. So anyway, without further ado, we are going to jump right into this video. Enjoy. Okay, so I wanted to show you the dining room before. This is what it's looking like. I pretty much keep it like that all year round, unless I want to change something that's on the table. Right now I have those beautiful African bowls that I love and I'm obsessed with. I'm going to take those out, but I'm going to use that as the centerpiece and then work my way around it. So I'm going to use some flowers, but I'm also going to show you some of the dishware and all of the accessories that I will be using. So let me show you everything that I have so far. And I'm obviously going to take out those chairs that are there. It's easier for me to work without chairs there. I don't know if it's me, but so I'm going to move the chairs. Then we're going to start setting the table. Here are the things that I will be using for my table setting. I will be using that for the centerpiece. There's some greenery right here. I pulled out everything that I wanted to use in the style and the look, and obviously you know it's going to be in my neutral colors, but I thought I would go a little deeper into the brown. I have these beautiful plates that have like a brown beige color and then pull a little bit of some green. That's going to be the look that I'm going for. So we're going to go ahead and start doing the centerpiece in the middle, and then start putting the setting of all of the dishware and utensils and all of that. These are little bouquets that I created to put on top of the plates. It has like a little bell here, super cute. Is it gonna ring? Oh, anyway, there's a little bell. I created 6 of them. I didn't DIY them because I didn't think that there was anything spectacular about them, but they're these cute little bells, and then I put some brown greenery, and I think that they're going to be so pretty and add a little something to all of the dishware here. And then I also got these gorgeous linen napkins. It has this beautiful texture. I love it. I think it's gonna bring a little bit of brightness to the dark. And then I also got these to put underneath the plates. I thought that these were beautiful, bring in a little warmth. Oh yes, and then I got these candlesticks. Love a good candle, especially for a centerpiece, and I think that they're perfect. There's 3 sets of 3. I will leave a link down below of some of the things that I got, and there's these utensils as well. I wanted something a little bit more gunmetal, a little darker, and then I got these beautiful green garlands like this. This is what's going on. Let's start the centerpiece. Okay, so you'll get why I'm using some flowers. In the middle of the centerpiece, I'm going to be using some of the wood trees, and then in the middle, I'm going to be using my big bowl that's right there. I usually have 2. I took it out, and I'm going to be putting only 1, and it's going to be the middle guy. So what I wanted to do is not leave it completely empty. I wanted to fill it up with some beautiful flowers, making it Christmassy holidays, but adding a little whimsical and putting some beautiful flowers, all of course in my colors that I love, beige, earthy tones. We're going to start off with the bowl. I'm going to fill up the bowl, and then once that's done, then we're going to create the whole centerpiece and then the dishware. I'm sort of going to do a mix of flowers. So there's different bouquets. So let me show you. There's this here with this brown, and there's a little bit of sage in there. Then there's these brown leaves. I know it's screaming a little bit fall, but I thought, you know, mixing in a little bit of green and not making it like Christmas where it's so much green. There's some brown in there. And then I have these little beautiful flowers like this. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the centerpiece flowers. And I think I'm going to add in a little bit of greenery to tie in everything. But anyway, let's go ahead and start placing these flowers. know I'm a visual, so I need to see things, place things, and then I can see where there's something that I'm not liking. And I think it's the middle here. I thought that this was going to be good, but I'm feeling it's very heavy in the middle. So I think I'm going to take that out and redo the whole middle. I'm gonna use the same things, but I think I'm gonna take out the bowl. I am not feeling it. I feel it's too crammed, too overwhelming, but I wanted to show you this is part of DIYs and this is part of decorating. You try, you experiment, and then if it doesn't work, then you keep working at it until you figure out what it is that you love and feels right to you. So I am not feeling this area right here. I don't know, it's not what I had envisioned. I thought it was going to look good, but I feel it's too heavy in the center there. I'm gonna take all that out and start afresh. So yeah, I'll show you once I know which direction I'm going in, but I'm gonna play around with it for now. So I took out the centerpiece and already I feel it looks much better and feels a little bit less cluttered. I think that would be the word. I love my more is more, but I felt it was too cluttered. So I'm gonna play around with the garland, play around with the trees. I don't know if I'm gonna add in the other trees and create some high-low effects, but I feel it looks much better. What I end up doing is I end up putting some trees there just to create a little bit of height in the middle. And then I sort of added all of the beautiful flowers into the garland and create a sort of dimension. I do want it to feel Christmassy, but I also love my earthy pieces and I just wanted to mix it up in there and make it look beautiful. So this is what I've done so far. I'm gonna keep working at it, but I just want to show you. And then the candles on the side, and I feel it looks less cluttered. I'm thinking here too, I feel there's a little bit too much, but I don't know, I'm gonna play around with it. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this centerpiece, table setting. Comment down below, let me know which direction you are going in for the Christmas holidays. Are you going more traditional? Are you going more boho? Are you going more eclectic? Are you going more classic? I would love to hear what you are doing for this holiday. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your continuous support, and I will see you in my next video, which is the Christmas tree. But before I let you go, I'm going to let you know what I am wearing. Obviously, starting from the top, I end up getting this beret at the thrift store. I think I got it maybe 2 years ago, and I love it. It's like navy blue velvety beret, and I pull it out every time that the holidays start coming in because I feel it's very holiday-ish. And then I have this blazer that I got from Zara. It's no surprise, Zara. Belt, thrifted, jewelry. Some of it is from a company called Stinnies. And I will put a link down below if you're interested. Most of my rings, this was a gift from my mother. Look how gorgeous this ring is. Obsessed. I love it so much. And I thought it was fitting with this outfit. Most of my jewelry is from Koakaya. And that is pretty much it for the outfit. So anyway, I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Have an amazing week. Mwah. Bye, guys.